dance to the basement too. Let's go ground some people. No whatever.
Pero por ahí no se quedaron. Trata de chisme.
Oh, this building is open. Unlucky. Oh, you are grounded. For 1 million years, go upstairs to your room right now. Daniel, we are in intruses. We are lithiumers. Quickly. Oh. How the hell were you doing here? Hey, open the building to me. I want to unground you. You are now ungrounded for opening the building for me. You are ungrounded forever. Whatever what you want to do, go shopping. Hello, you are now ungrounded. Oh no. Hey, there is some building 30. Is it noise? There's some crap. Oh, no.
Adelante, amigo.
What's wrong with your...
Y la puerta.
Oh, new indicator. Believe it.
Sí, que vamos a echar las manos, las patas.
You're now on the tree first.
Una bolita de algodón que no te hace nada. Te hace una bolita de algodón.
Sit down now.
Cuando lo lavas se queda blanquito.
Adiós, buenos días.
So this is the building is a bit of look like to Mrs. Spring's building. Oh, we lost it. Oh, hey, remember over here there was the little thing. So there's was lots of time here saying it. Was a lot of time. If we are saying it, I'm going on ground here.